In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PenFed account online. Mike, the credit guy. We'll walk through a simple, safe path so you know exactly where to click and what to look for, and I'll share a few tips to keep your information protected along the way. First, open the guide that's dedicated to opening a PenFed account online. This guide serves as your launchpad and keeps everything in one place. Once you're on that page, select the option labeled Step-by-Step Guide to Opening a PenFed Account Online. That section gives you the structured overview you need and points you to the correct starting links, so you're not hunting around the internet. From there, choose Visit the official PenFed website. Before you proceed, pause for a quick safety check. Confirm you see the secure padlock in your browser and that the address bar shows the legitimate PenFed domain with HTTPS. This small habit helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you're entering information only on the real platform. When you're ready to start the application, have your government-issued ID and basic personal details handy. Financial institutions must verify your identity, so being prepared will speed things up. Once you're on the official site, look for current promotions. It's worth a minute to review these offers. You might find limited time bonuses, higher savings rates, or reduced fees. Always read the terms, including any minimum deposit, direct deposit requirements, or timeframes, so you know exactly how to qualify for an offer you like. Next, visit security tips on the site. This area explains the protections PenFed provides and the best practices you should follow when opening or managing your account online. Understanding these guidelines now can prevent headaches later, especially when you start receiving alerts or verification prompts. Finally, review the guidance to verify emails and calls. Be cautious with unsolicited messages that claim to be from PenFed. Do not click unexpected links or give out sensitive information in response to a call or text. If you ever need to confirm a message, navigate directly to the official website yourself and use the publish contact options there. This way, you control the conversation and know you're speaking with the real institution. That's the whole flow. Start at the trusted guide, follow the step-by-step section, jump to the official website, check promotions, read the security tips, and keep your guard up with email and phone verification. Follow these steps and you'll be set up to open your PenFed account confidently and securely. Thanks for following along.